Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to run EXE file on Chromebook. So let's start the video. First of all, open Chrome browser and search for Source Labs. Then click on First Website. Now first of all, you have to sign up your account. After signing up, click on Live. And then Cross Browser. Now from here, on Chrome, select 114. And then Resolution. And then OS version. Now enter the URL here you want to run. And then click on Start Test. After that, it'll start preparing your session, and it'll open the version you've selected, like Windows 11. Like a proper Windows 11 will be open on the browser. And from there, you can easily run an EXE file. You can also start free trial of this tool, or you have to buy subscription. So this is the way you can run EXE file on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.